Well, a stunning twist in a Michigan crisis that gained national attention.
The Michigan Supreme Court dropping a bombshell in the Flint water crisis scandal. The court ruling the indictments against former Governor Rick Snyder and 7 others are invalid. It comes a year and a half after their arrest.
One of those charged was Michigan's former Department of Health and Human Services Director Nick Lyon. He faced 9 counts of involuntary manslaughter.
7 Action News reporter Jim Kurtzner has followed the crisis since the very beginning. He joins us live tonight with where this massive case goes from here. Bombshell indeed, Jim.
That's right, Dave and Carolyn, and Nick Lyon is celebrating this ruling tonight. He said in a statement that he was being prosecuted for political purposes, that he and other state officials were doing a tough job under difficult circumstances, but this changes everything. It's far from over, and Nick Lyon may not be free and clear.
The Supreme Court said, Circuit Court, you got it wrong. You should have dismissed Nick Lyon's case.
For 3 years, Todd Flood was a special prosecutor under the previous Attorney General, presented evidence that former State Health Director Nick Lyon knew about deadly Legionnaire's disease with the tainted Flint water and failed to disclose it. He was sent to trial on charges of involuntary manslaughter.
Withholding information, corrupt, based upon misconduct in office for probable cause.
You saw everything there was. We were ready to go.
Then the new Attorney General, Dana Nessel, dropped all the charges and decided to start over, taking the cases against 7 people to a one-man grand jury and tried to go directly to trial. Former Governor Snyder charged with 2 misdemeanor counts of misconduct in office. Some appealed, saying they were denied a preliminary exam. The Supreme Court ruled Genesee County Circuit Court Judge Elizabeth Kelly should have granted that. When Nick Lyon said his charges should be dropped, the Supreme Court said Judge Kelly should have granted that. Lyon, in a statement today, I am grateful that the court took the extraordinary step of finding time to hear our case, and I am particularly satisfied that the decision to dismiss all the charges against me was unanimous. Flint mother and activist blames Attorney General Dana Nessel for firing Todd Flood and the previous team and dropping all the charges.
Especially charging Governor Snyder, there's going to be a lot of money, and our tax dollars, of course, going to fight all of these. So why wouldn't you do it in the best way possible?
From my understanding, that charges could still be reintroduced against several of them, and that will be our hope and desire.
Now, Melissa Mays, that Flint mother and activist, says a big group in Flint will be watching this when it goes back to court in Flint before Circuit Court Judge Elizabeth Kelly. We've got a statement from the Solicitor General, who's been part of this, saying they are going to keep working to keep people charged. And within the hour, we got a statement from Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy, who's also part of this. She says she's used the one-man grand jury in her office for people to get protection from deadly consequences in violent crimes, and she says now she's fearful about the future use of the one-man grand jury process after this ruling. Reporting live, Jim Kurtzner, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you so much as always for your great work, Jim. If you'd like to take a closer look at the entire ruling from the state Supreme Court, we have posted it for you at WXYZ.com. Look for it right on our homepage.